You guys ready?
Yeah.
It's not gonna make a sound though. Okay, count down for me.
Here we go.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I don't know where it is.
Don't try to catch it. Just let it land and then we'll pick it up.
That didn't even make a sound at all.
Wow.
Sweetness.
Daddy, I want a new one. I want a new one now.
Yeah, well, we're gonna do a new one. We're just not gonna do a bigger one yet. I'll do a bigger one after we launch all of these.
Dad, look at that cloud.
Is it a cool cloud?
Yeah, that's from the airplane.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now hold it down. Push it and hold it.
Last one to the swing set is rotten egg. I'm the rotting egg.
Crumple this up.
Crumble it up? I
Into
guess
a little ball. Yep.
I always do this to toilet paper.
Like that.
Okay, scrambled up.
Okay.
Going in there? Why?
Because there's fire from the engine, and we don't want the fire to hit the parachute or the strings, because it'll burn them up. So that keeps the fire from hitting the parachute or the strings. First things first, this is the safety key. Okay, so the safety key goes in this hole. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go! I didn't need to cover my ears. Hey, it's coming down. Hey, it's getting infectious.
Same spot. Awesome.
Dad, I should have one. I learned how to slide and it was so much fun. So much funner than I just tried something this new. Yeah! Can I do it again?
Mom's gonna do it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I can hardly see the parachute. Ay, ay, ay. That's twice as high as the other engines. That was a B46 engine. It's still gonna land inside our property. Ella, let's go! Okay, Mommy, take the key out. Take the key out and put that down on the ground.
Ezra, how do I do it? Tell me.
Watch me.
Okay.
You push that up and you count 1, 4, and then you put that thing on and you put a thing in it, and then you put a plug thing on it, to plug it in, and then you try to catch it, and then do the thing shoots out the beam.
That's awesome.
Shoots and then claps off. Oh, good, Daddy. This is super fun. Ezra, if you burn yourself, you'll die. You'll lose your finger. No. What's funny? Oh, is it because of the big train that keeps coming? I don't.
Fire?
Yeah.
Yeah, fire won't get on you. Not if we're back here.
Mommy, I love you.
I love you too. Oh, thank you.
No, wipe it off.
I won't wipe it off. Did you wipe my kisses off?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I don't love some of your kisses.
But you love me,
Yeah.
just not my kisses.
I don't love some of your kisses. I love some. I don't love some you do.
Oh.
I love mine.
4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's an airplane.
I know. Where'd it go? Oh, I
Way over
see
there.
it.
Wow!
I got it. There it is.
Did you do it?
There it is.
There it is. Okay, Ez, don't walk over the launcher. You stay put. Stay put. Stay put. Don't move.
Where is it?
Don't let him move.
Where'd it go?
Did you see it?
I see it. That's going in circles.
I see it.
Okay, Ez, come hold my hand. Walk around the launchers. Here. All right, let's go get it, buddy. Come on. High five.